Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. Link is in the bio. I do have some treats there for you. Your word of the day is affirmation, confirmation. You have excelled and made it to the next level where Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ is asking you, what do you want? Because I'll give you whatever your heart desires at this moment. Write it down, make it plain, skip no lines. Write on the front, the back, the sides, leave no spaces, because in this place of blessings, when in place of transition, when you ask for what you want, you leave no spaces because all the spaces must be taken care of. So if you leave space, Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength, Jesus Christ has to fill in certain things that you may not be asking for. It may not be negative, but it might not be what you exactly need or want to experience in your life. So make sure you write down all your needs once to the T, to the punctuation mark. Cross your T's, dot your I's. I listen to myself and acknowledge my needs, and I assert myself to retain my power. I am bold and I say exactly what I want. I am brave and I'm gentle. I do not have to be afraid of others because I respect myself. Therefore, I'm respected by others. Set the standard. How you respect yourself, how you love yourself is how everyone else will. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.